Hey, let me show you how you can get completely new clock styles for your Realme 14 Pro. As you can see here, I have, for example, this animated classic clock. So you have to start by opening settings. Then you will have to go into wallpapers and style, and you will have to navigate into more themes. Then scroll all the way down and select view online themes. Now just wait, go into themes at the top, click here and input clock. So as you can see, here's a short example and the best results that we can find. So that's the different clock styles. If you want to get any of the clocks of this clock style, you will have to open it and then simply tap apply. And after this later, you can unselect icons change and home screen wallpaper change. So you will only apply this clock lock screen and you will don't change your whole theme. So that's how you can make this change. And of course, you can input here other phrases if you want, but this is just my recommendation. Here you can also find some other clock styles with the wallpapers and stuff like that.